Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through a quick and simple way to mute certain words from people you don't follow on the X app. If you ever feel like your feed is getting cluttered with unwanted topics or phrases, this feature can help you keep things cleaner and more enjoyable. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device. Make sure you're signed in to your account. On the homepage, look towards the top left corner and tap your profile icon. This will open up your main menu. From here, scroll down and find the option called Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to enter the Settings menu. Next, choose Privacy and Safety. This is where you can manage the type of content you see and how others interact with you on the platform. Inside Privacy and Safety, look for Muted and Block. Tap on it. Under this section, you'll see different tools for filtering content. Now, select Muted Words. This is where you'll control which words or phrases you never want to see in your feed or notifications. Once you're on the Muted Words page, tap the Add button. Type in the word or phrase you want to mute. You can add as many as you need, one at a time. After entering a word, you'll see an option to choose who it applies to. Select from people you don't follow, so that the mute only filters out content from users outside your circle. This way, you can still see posts from friends and accounts you follow while keeping the rest of your feed cleaner. When you're done, be sure to save your changes. The words you've muted will no longer appear in your notifications or timelines from people you don't follow. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can customize your X experience and have more control over the content you see. Try it out and enjoy a more personalized feed.